Welcome back to QSTube. If you're looking for a simple yet stylish way to refresh your space, you're in for a treat. Today we're diving deep into the world of geometric wall shelves, modern, bold, and surprisingly versatile. These unique shelves aren't just for storage. They're a statement piece, a design element, and an instant room upgrade rolled into one. Hexagon honeycomb shelves are one of the most popular designs out there, and for good reason. With their perfect symmetry and clean lines, they create a sense of balance and harmony on the wall. They're great for grouping together and give off that trendy, Instagram-worthy look. Whether you fill them with little succulents, mini candles, or cute decor accents, they add a cozy, modern flair that works in practically any room. Triangle corner shelves are the ultimate space savers. If you have awkward, unused corners in your home, this design turns them into functional and stylish focal points. The triangular shape fits snugly, offering shelf space without taking up too much visual weight. They're minimal, elegant, and especially useful in small bedrooms, bathrooms, or even entryways where space is limited. Diamond-shaped floating racks are perfect for those who want to make a bold statement. These shelves catch the eye with their dynamic angles and unexpected form. They turn any plain wall into a visual showpiece. Ideal for showcasing your favorite decorative items, these shelves aren't just useful. They're pure wall art that speaks to modern tastes. Circular wall shelves with metal frames are another fantastic way to add style, while softening the overall look of your space. Their rounded shape offers a nice contrast to the usual boxy furniture, while the metal frame keeps things sleek and slightly industrial. These shelves are often used in contemporary living rooms or urban loft-style interiors, where curves and lines blend in harmony. Asymmetrical square shelves play with balance in a creative way. Rather than sticking to the usual grid or straight-line layout, these shelves are placed unevenly for an artsy and spontaneous look. They're perfect for eclectic spaces and offer an opportunity to highlight each individual item placed on them. Think of them as a wall collage that's both functional and visually exciting. Stacked trapezoid designs introduce an architectural vibe to your interior. These shelves often look sculptural, like miniature installations built onto the wall. Their slanted edges and layered look add depth and visual rhythm. Whether you're using them to store books or display artwork, they'll give your space a cool, design-forward energy that's hard to miss. Geometric ladder-style shelves are a great option if you like the idea of a freestanding unit that still feels modern. These shelves typically lean against the wall and feature variously shaped tiers, perfect for layering objects of different sizes. They blend seamlessly into Scandinavian or contemporary spaces and are especially useful for styling. With plants, candles, or picture frames, modular cube wall shelves offer endless creativity. You can arrange them however you like, symmetrically, randomly, or stacked into a pattern. These shelves are like building blocks for grown-ups, letting you personalize your wall with structure and design. Whether painted in bold colors or kept neutral, they add order and interest without feeling too formal. Zigzag floating shelves break up the monotony of straight lines with their playful curves and angles. These shelves draw the eye naturally across the wall and can even double as a visual guide from one end of the room to the other. Their staggered style makes them ideal for displaying books, artwork, or even lightweight collectibles. Octagon wood and metal hybrids are perfect for those who like mixing textures. The solid wood provides warmth, while the metal brings in that industrial cool factor. The octagon shape adds uniqueness and feels both solid and stylish. This combo works well in living rooms, home offices, or bedrooms where you want to balance form with function. Floating rhombus shelves offer a subtle yet striking visual illusion. Their slanted design makes them appear to shift depending on where you stand, giving your wall some depth and intrigue. They're minimalist but artistic, offering the perfect place to showcase your most cherished trinkets or even small books. Pentagon wall units are perfect for eclectic homes. The five-sided shape adds a quirky twist while still feeling geometric and grounded. These shelves work beautifully with textured materials and natural finishes, making them ideal for boho, rustic, or nature-inspired interiors. Add a few plants, woven baskets, or travel souvenirs for that layered global feel. Interlocking rectangular shelves are both eye-catching and incredibly practical. When rectangles weave into one another, they create a sense of movement and organization at the same time. These designs are perfect for minimalist or contemporary interiors, especially if you're looking to add functionality without sacrificing style. Crisscross X shelves stand out with bold geometry and symmetry. Shaped like an X, these shelves divide space into multiple compartments, which makes them perfect for organizing small objects. Whether you fill them with decor or leave them partially empty for a cleaner look, these shelves command attention in all the right ways. Double triangle shelf units look like mountain peaks and add a touch of wilderness-inspired charm. These are especially great in cabins, kids' rooms, or rustic-themed interiors. You can use raw wood for an organic feel or paint them for a more playful, artistic vibe. Either way, they add character to any wall. Half-circle moon shelves create a dreamy, soft silhouette that contrasts beautifully with angular furniture. Their curved design brings balance and elegance to any room, making them especially popular in bedrooms, nurseries, or cozy reading corners. You can style them with crystals, soft-toned decor, or calming scented candles for a magical touch. Arrowhead geometric shelves offer direction and structure in one bold form. These triangular shelves point upward or outward, depending on how you place them, making them feel dynamic and purposeful. Perfect for anyone who wants a shelf that also acts as a visual compass in the room. Multi-level hex shelf clusters build on the popularity of single hexagon shelves by combining several into a layered expansive display. They mimic a hive structure and offer plenty of room for styling. These shelves are ideal for large walls and open-concept living spaces, where you want to create a central feature that feels modern and organized. Circle and square frame shelves mix hard and soft geometry in a way that's incredibly satisfying. The circular shelf inside a square frame offers contrast and balance at the same time. This clean, modern design works well in minimalist interiors, offering just enough personality without becoming overwhelming. Starburst pattern shelves are a true statement piece. They radiate outward from a central point like a burst of light, adding energy and drama to your wall. These shelves are as much about visual impact as they are about storage. Use them to frame a piece of artwork or let them shine on their own. Each of these geometric wall shelf designs offers its own unique blend of function and style. Whether you're leaning toward clean lines, playful patterns, or sculptural forms, there's a shelf here that fits your taste and transforms your wall into something special. You don't need to spend a fortune or hire a designer to make a bold statement. Sometimes it's as simple as picking the right shape and placing it in the right spot. Thanks for watching QSTube. If you found inspiration in these designs, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment with your favorite shelf idea, and subscribe for more stylish home decor content. Until next time, keep creating spaces you love to live in.